On some level I think I always understood that a ship could never really love an anchor. So I did the only thing that I could and severed the rope that set you sailing from my harbor. There are times when I still wonder about you. You are someone I have loved but never known, and you'll never see the reasons I had for keeping my claws away when they were close enough to hurt you. I am selfish, I am broken, I am cruel. I am all the things they might have said to you. Do you ever think of me and my two